Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing two unboxings with you. Well, actually, I guess just two reveals with you because I have already opened both of them. One is my Valentine's Day gift from my husband. Another one is a YSL bag that I purchased for myself. So before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, welcome back. I tried to do videos lately twice a week, which is proving a little bit challenging, but I try to do them on Tuesday and Friday on luxury, on jewelry, on handbags, favorites, all sorts of things like that. So if you're interested and if you like those kind of videos, I'd love it if you just take a moment and hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you don't miss a video. So the first item that I'm going to share with you is my Valentine's Day gift from my husband. I was not expecting a gift at all. I thought we got hardwood floors, if you follow me you know this, in our bedroom, our master bedroom, and our closet. And I thought that we were gifting that each other for Valentine's Day. We never specifically said that, but you know, that's what I thought we were doing. We have wanted those for so long. For those of you that don't know, we built this house, and when we built it, we asked the builder about putting wood in those two areas. The quote they gave us was insanity. Most of the house came with wood, which was nice. That area did not. We put so much wood into our last house, we know how much wood cost. So we ended up waiting. I was like, I can't get rid of brand new carpet. We waited. We'll be in this house 4 years. So we waited a little bit and changed it out for removing the carpet, moving the furniture, all that stuff. It was less than half of what the builder was going to charge us to put it in brand new. So we're glad that we waited. But I thought, and I'll insert a little tiny, video of the floors. So I thought that was it. Thrilled with those, so happy with those. So I could not believe it when he surprised me with a gift from Bulgari. So it came in this beautiful gold Bulgari box, and I'm sure you can tell by the box what kind of an item it is. Then it always has the little satin box, and it is the Bulgari, that is the collection name, Bulgari, and it is the ring with the mother of pearl, and there's one diamond on the side, and then it says Bulgari down it too. It is so beautiful. I will insert close-ups as I always do. I got this one for Christmas. This one is the one that reverses from mother of pearl to diamond, and it takes me a second to get the pinky ring off. Let's see, there we go. So there's the diamond side. Focus. There we go. And then the mother of pearl side, which I would be wearing it because of the other ring has mother of pearl. So I thought that was so sweet. It was so unexpected. I got him a gift too, but not as good as he got me. So here it is on my hand. I absolutely love Bulgari. It is one of his most favorite brands as well, and it's super comfortable. 18 karat rose gold. Their rose gold is just really, really a flattering color. So now I want to get into the bagging, I guess you will. And I am not 100% sure I'm going to keep this. And I've showed two videos of things that came completely messed up and flawed that I knew I was going to send back. And I shared that just, so that you could look when you get a bag at these things. Normally when I get something, I might be doing like a true unboxing and I'm filming it, and I'll look at it and be like, huh, and I will just turn the camera off. So I've never unboxed for content. I'm not doing that today. I'm showing you this because I did a video on these type of bags and saying which one I would choose if I got one. So I decided to get one. And yeah, I'm on the fence. So let me start. I have to bend over here for a second. Let me start with showing you how the bag came, which is not impressive at all. Okay. that was way down there. All right, so it came in this box. I did get free FedEx overnight shipping. That was impressive. Came like that. Oh, here. I'll do better. I'll show you exactly how it came. And that is it. Nothing on top of the bag, nothing to protect it, just that in a box. So I did get it from the Webster, and I'm not, putting down the Webster at all. I had a very good customer service from them and a good experience from them, but I feel like this bag was a return, and when I sell a bag, I ship it better than this. Way better than this. I recently sold 2. They were fully bubble wrapped, tissue papered. I mean, so let's get into the second part. So when I opened the bag, I didn't get a box, which is very typical with Saint Laurent to not get a box unless you purchase it directly from Saint Laurent. This is exactly how it came. Nothing wrapped around it, nothing, it was definitely a return. I have ordered several Saint Laurent bags in the past. They haven't worked out. I've sent them back, but I know how they should come packaged. So, that's kind of one thing. I was kind of disappointed with that. Let me pull out the tags. This is another reason I think it was returned. There's a tag here, and it just has a little piece of string that's tied, so anybody could have retied it, but there it is. It's from the Webster. The color is Crema Soft, and the price is $2,090. So, and then here's the little YSL booklet card. So here's the bag. It is the small Lulu puffer bag in lambskin and Crema Soft, which who knows what that means because every single website is different. I think Saint Laurent says off-white. I'm not positive. They might say blanc. I don't know. There's a different color and they look different on every website as well. I'm not quite sure how this is translating on the monitor, but my desk is solid white. So you can see it is not a solid white bag. It's kind of a silvery with some grayish undertones to it. Absolutely beautiful color, unlike anything that I have in my collection. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. But I was kind of like, so I did get it. If you watched my previous video on the puffer bags, I had ordered one and almost about the color of this sweater and from Farfetch, and there was some sort of a glitch and I didn't end up getting the bag, and I haven't been able to find it again. But I, in the meantime, decided I actually like this color a lot better because I actually wear this color quite a bit. So this one is a little bit more unique for me. So in that video, I said how much I disliked Chanel's antique gold hardware. This is not quite what I would call antique gold, but it's not quite the color I was expecting either. It doesn't have like Chanel's antique gold has like little chip looking, almost like little chips out of the hardware. I had a cocoa handle in that bag, in that hardware, not that bag, and I had a couple of small leather goods which I sold. So I'm not 100% crazy about that. I love the color. Pull this out, show you the bag. I like the size. Oh, I can't pull it up. This was all that was in the bag. There was no other wrapping, nothing, just this. So pull that out. That would help. So yeah, I like the color. I like the size. It's very, very lightweight. I think that it's just absolutely beautiful. The lambskin on this feels so supple. It is like, I don't know that I have felt nicer lambskin. I'm really, really impressed with that. It's so soft. It's like buttery soft, and it is so squishy. I see why when people get these, they're like, it is just like a pillow, because it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has these two very generous leather straps. I do not like chain to be on my shoulder at all. It doesn't feel good to me. So it has all of that going for it. The things that I did notice, and I'm not sure if this would just happen anyways because I'm positive that this was a return. There is a little mark right there. Can you see that? Where it's like dented in, but it's identical on that side, which it doesn't seem to be showing up the same here. So that's probably just the nature of it being a smushy bag. I'm pretty used to structure, so I'm like, is smushy for me? Is this hardware for me? I am trying to be extremely mindful with my purchases this year because my collection is a really good size and there's nothing that I want to sell. I've sold everything that I want to sell. So I want to be very cautious going forward. I don't like selling. It's not fun whatsoever. So I want to be very cautious about that. I'm not sure if I said this or not yet, but I did end up getting this bag for the exact same price as Farfetch, which was $1,881, 0 tax, and free FedEx overnight shipping. They do have a very generous return policy of 28 days, which I love because I got this bag last Monday, which was like the first day of our staycation, and I really haven't had a chance to look it over, to try it on with a lot of different outfits, and to see how it's going to work for me because we were so busy all week. I wasn't really thinking about handbags. I for sure will not take 28 days to make up my mind to decide if I'm keeping it or not. I think I'm keeping it. I wouldn't be showing it to you if I was, well, if I was 100% sure I wasn't, I would say so. I think I'm keeping it. I don't know. I just have to make sure that it's me. So what I was expecting, and like I said, every website has such different colors, but I was expecting more of this kind of hardware than this kind. And I don't like it in the silver, just because the bag is so kind of grayish. I don't know. I'm more of a gold hardware. I'm trying to say that together. Gold hardware. I'm trying to say it together. You know, person in general. So yeah, debating it. Let me show you the inside of the bag. So it does have a magnetic clasp. And this is something I've noticed in videos. People say it's very, very hard to open. This one is not hard to open. Now it's going to be hard to open, sure. I've only done it with one hand ever. It's been very easy. Inside is just one big compartment, which I like. I do not like when they have them split. I don't like that at all. There is a big zippered compartment in the back pocket, and it just says Saint Laurent Paris. And then on this pocket, it says Saint Laurent Paris, and then there's like a blind stamp that says Made in Italy. It's a beautiful color. It is unlike anything that I have, and I do like it. I'm going to show you some mod shots. I could not be wearing a more horrible outfit to share mod shots in. This sweater has these giant pockets on the side, which makes you look about 10 times bigger, plus the color. But I don't care because I'm comfortable and it's cold and I'm not going to change. But I am going to show you mod shots, show you what it looks like on me, and they just kind of go over a few final thoughts. So on me, shoulder, and oh, it wasn't closed. Did you hear that? The magnetic snap. On me, shoulder, I am 5'6", and then you can make it a long shoulder bag. With nothing in it, it falls off of my shoulders. I don't have shoulders to hold it up there. And it is not crossbody. Not for me. It is way too short and way too bulky. I don't think that looks good at all. So yeah, I think for me, I think this looks the best just to have it shoulder. Okay, so that is what the bag looked like on me. I cannot remember if I said I am 5'6". Definitely not a crossbody bag for me. Definitely not. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I have been so used to being a very structured bag girl. Like, I'm not into slouchy things, and I kind of wonder how this one's going to wear, being so soft, and that it already has normal or not, I don't know, but that it already has, you know, these little indents here and that, but the smushiness is so neat. I love it. I do love it. So yeah, like I said, I'm about pretty sure I'm going to keep this. And I'm glad I didn't get this color because I'm looking, my Loewe puzzle bag is on the bed over there, and it's not exactly similar, but it's close enough. And I think this is super different. Going forward in my collection, as I said, I'm really trying to be super mindful and cautious and careful and thoughtful to use everything I have and to not end up selling anything that I have. It's okay to sell, you know I feel that way, but I don't like doing it at all. There's nothing fun about selling. So anyways, here it is. I will let you guys know later if I've decided to keep it or not. You'll know because I'll do a video showing what fits and better mod shots, but with a more flattering sweater. But it is chilly out tonight. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.